Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I'm very happy for the results. So we had a very successful launch, and it's almost fourth day since we launched staking. So congratulations sa lahat ng mga nag-participate sa ating pre-sale phase 1 kasi nabili nyo lang no sa 0.001. So since yesterday officially nilaunch na ulit natin yung phase 2 ng ating pre-sale, and the price is already doubled the amount. So, ibig sabihin, 0.002 na ang per trend natin. So, ang daming interested and ang daming nag-stake. So, congratulations guys. This is a good sign. We're just getting started. Dun sa mga naunang mga bumili, no? Lalo na yung mga bumili sa private sale, which is nabili nila ng 0.0008 per trend token, mas malaki yung inyong earnings na so far, 'di ba? And by the way, you can buy from here, dito mismo sa ating dashboard, dun sa mga interested at wala pang trend token. Sabi ko nga, it's already 0.002 na, no? Ibig sabihin, hindi nyo na mabibili ng 0.001 or mas mababa pa yung ating trend token. Kaya nga, kailangan nating maging action taker kasi syempre it's very unfair naman dun sa mga nag-take action na nung nilaunch natin yung pre-sale phase 1. So, actually, in-extend na natin yung ating phase 1 pre-sale. Bisitahin nyo lang yung ating website, trendtokenhub.com, and then i-click nyo lang dito guys, Token ICO, and then kung kayo ay naka-mobile phone, lagyan natin ng F12. Alright, so kung naka-mobile phone kayo, so ganito siya, okay? Ito yung ICO natin. Alright, so pag kinlik nyo yan, so lalabas na to, yan, pwede kayong mag-buy dito. But if you're using desktop, okay, i-adjust natin. So, ito siya, token ICO talaga yung nakalagay. Pag kinlik nyo yan, pwede kayong mag-buy dito. Okay? So, let's check. Dito tayo muna, bago tayo magana. Yan, total stake is 2,044,875 so far. Congratulations sa mga early stakers. Okay, so kung ikaw ay mag-start pa lang, you can buy token here. So, i-type nyo lang dito yung amount. Say, for example, you want to buy 50,000 trend token. So, this will cost you, ayan, 0.1715 BNB. So, naka-BNB Smart Chain kasi tayo. Okay? And since the native token is trend, kaya nakalagay yung trend dyan. Pero, ibig sabihin yan, 0.1715 BNB worth of trend tokens. Okay? So, tingnan natin kung magkano ito. 1715. Punta tayo dito sa conversion. 0.1715. So, that's basically 101 USDT to buy how much? 50,000 token. Alright? So, wag na nating sabihin yung pre-sale price kasi baka magsisi yung iba, di ba? So, kaya nga sabi ko sa inyo, always be an action taker, di ba? Kaya ngayon, but still, it's very cheap, no? 0.002 is very cheap kasi pag nilaunch natin to, hopefully, mas mataas na sa 0.002. Hopefully, no? Ang ating goal is 0.01, which is 10x na nung ating pre-sale price phase 1. Okay? So, yun ang ating target goal. So, depende yan sa ating madadagdag na funds. Kasi, syempre, we also have our budget for like marketing, for these websites. Ayan, sabi ko nga, this is Trend Ecosystem, and hindi lang isang project yung nilo-launch natin. Ang maganda doon, Trend Token lang yung nagpapatakbo sa lahat ng projects na yan. Kaya, hindi na lang sa inyo kung gusto nyo mag-add, or kung gusto nyo palaguin na lang siya dito sa ating staking. But again, this is a huge privilege for everyone na sa day 1 pa lang nagtiwala na at nag-support sa ating project. So, nag-hold na sila ng kanilang mga trend token. Okay? So, ito yung ating dashboard sa staking project. So, this is the second project natin sa Trend Ecosystem. The first one is yung Trend with Threads, which is the social media booster. Magagamit yun ng mga content creators or even aspiring content creators or everyone, pwede no, para mag-grow ang inyong mga social media accounts. But for now, since we have launched this project, ito yung ating second project. Ayan, nakakatuwa yung result. So, ito yung ating staking pools. So, sa 5 days, meron ng 384,414 total stakes so far. This is total numbers of trends, no? Lahat ng nag-invest dito sa maximum pool. Dito naman sa standard pool, which is locked for 50 days, and meron na tayong, how much is this? 158,686. So, mas maraming nag-invest dito kay maximum compare sa ating standard. But here on elite pool, yan, ito yung pinakamataas, no? So, everyone is trusting the project kasi syempre for 100 days no locked in yung inyong mga dito yung inyong mga trends token. But don't worry, I have also uploaded a video tutorials on how to strategically withdraw your rewards even if nakalock pa siya. So ang system kasi natin dito kay trends is kung halimbawa pinili nyo yung elite, ibig sabihin, for 100 days, hindi natin mawi-withdraw yung ating capital as well as our stakes here. So, ito yung deposit ko kasi dito is 80,000. Ayan. And since day 1 to, kasi I invested for test run, kumbaga. So, ibig sabihin, hindi naman to, kumbaga, built na ang ating Trend Token Hub since I think first week of February. Makikita naman natin dito yan nasa history. Ito guys is mga recent mga recent deposits. Ayan. So may nakikita kayong claim. Ayan, may claim. So ibig sabihin, kaka-start pa lang ng ating staking pero nakakapag-claim na yung mga members natin. So it means nagawa nila yung in-upload ko no na strategy on how to withdraw your reward tokens even if nakalock pa siya. So, panoorin nyo na lang yun guys sa aking channel kung paano nyo gagawin yun. Okay? Pero turo ko na rin. So, kung gusto nyo ma-withdraw yung inyong mga reward tokens dito, even if hindi pa tapos yung 50 days, say for example, here 50 days, maglagay lang kayo, mag-invest lang kayo ng, say for example, like 100 Trend token. So, gas fee lang yung inyong gagastusin. Ayan, mawi-withdraw automatically yung available rewards na nandito. Okay? So, it means, kinabukasan, pwede nyo na ulit siyang i-deposit. So, it's like you're compounding your earnings. So, walang button dito na nakalagay na compound your earnings, pero, pwede nyong gawing strategy yon. Okay? Magdagdag lang kayo ng small amount, or kahit magkano amounts. Basta nagdagdag kayo dyan, automatic mawi-withdraw yung inyong available na na rewards. So, yun, pwede nyo i-apply yun as compounding. Okay? So, yun guys, nakakatuwa, no? Congratulations talaga. And eto, makikita nyo rin lahat ng activities, very transparent, 100% verified ang ating, this is also a smart contract guys. Click nyo lang yung view all activities na yan, madidirect na kayo sa lahat ng transactions na nangyayari dito sa Trend Token Hub natin. Okay? So, ayun lang guys. And sa mga hindi pa nakapasok dito kay Trend Token, guys, this is just our second project. Soon, ilo-launch din natin mas malulupit no, na mga major projects. Isa na dyan yung ating Play to Earn, Music NFT. Okay, and then the other one is yung pinakaabangan ng lahat, which is related to trading. Only Trend community, only Trend holders ang pwedeng makapag-participate or maka-access ng ating yung ating premium package. Okay? So, ngayon pa lang, congrats na sa lahat ng ating mga pioneers. And don't forget to share this project, guys. No more fear of losing your money sa mga projects na nadadaan lang sa hype. Itong si Trend, guys, this is slowly but surely. Yan, hindi ito nadaan sa hype. Okay? This is continuous progress and yeah, sure tayo na hindi to mangi-scam. Alright? So, it will be here for long term, if not for lifetime. Alright? So, sawa na tayo sa mga projects na, ayan, nadadaan nga lang sa hype, diba? Iba-ibang projects. So, at least ito, Trend Token, focus na lang tayo dito sa Trends ecosystem. And, yeah, that's it. Who knows? Diba? Tataas yung price nito kasi syempre marami tayong ilo-launch na project na ang nagpa-facilitate lang noon is Trend Token. Alright, so that's all my update for you guys. And stay tuned lang kayo dito sa channel and make sure to join our Telegram channels, yung ating Telegram tracker ng lahat ng transactions. Meron tayo niyan. Nasa description na po ang link on how to join our community chat as well as our Telegram channel. So again, this is Baby Snow. Thank you so much for your support and I'll keep you posted. Happy earnings everyone. Bye-bye.